So here we go. Origins triple box break. I just put up another. Origins break for you guys. Like I said, knock it down. Why not? Little encore. ISG's booing me for some reason. Come on, man, dude. ISG. I already done told you, dude. The hide and seek final day is gonna be for Saturday. The first break that's gonna go for sale tomorrow. Just saying. That was the BGS. The furthest one back, so 10, I think it was 1013. Not the most recent one, no. Like 1013 or, I don't know. I'd have to check the site here. All right, so you guys can jump into that final Origins. Go do it. Here's Greg Olds. You guys asked for it. Go on, make it happen. Frank Gore, Carson Palmer, and Baby Rivers, 37 out of 60. Followed up by Paul Perkins, shorter print, 2 out of 10, going to those Giants. E, 39. So shorter print. Then Trevor Davis, 4 out of 25, going to Green Bay. So Big J in the house there, bub. And then it's going to be Connor Cook. Going to Oaktown, Bob Grizz. There you go, buddy. All right, Origins all wrapped up. So we'll make sure to knock that one out here as well. Thanks, guys, for hanging out with me tonight. Like I said, I know you guys are geared up for the hide and seek. It is the last one. It's going to be, like I said, for Saturday. You guys start Saturday off with a little bang. And that's what it's going to be. You guys just get ready. I got to sit down and I got to think about how I'm going to up the ante even higher on the bounty bonus. Dougie Baldwin, Phil Rivers, Joey Flacco, 34 out of 60. Then influential memorabilia, 8 out of 30. CJ Anderson, Joe Card, 56. And then a 59 out of 99, dude, Trevor Davis. Who's the Trevor Davis super collector tonight? It's Big J. That's who it is. And then Denver doing some work. Hey, Joe. You feel me knocking, Joe? Paxton Lynch, 14 out of 49. I love Origins so much. It's a weird deep burn. It's a good deep burn, okay? All right. And the last pack. Then we got one more break after this. That's all she wrote for tonight. Sammy Bradford, Tony Romo, Matt Jones. All right, Julio, 7 out of 10. Going to ATL. Who's got Atlanta? I love Prism. Zadabi, now you're making me want to do Prism. Scoots. There you go, buddy. Then a Jordan Howard, Jumbo, 89 out of 99. I think Prism, hands down, is a ridiculous deal. Yeah, I friggin' love it. Then you got Paul Perkins, 54 out of 99, going to those Giants. E39, getting some late night love in there, bub. 54 to 99. Then Cardell Jones. Kev's just saying that because he doesn't want to go to bed and watch the Hallmark Channel and be forced to watch the Hallmark Channel. Don't lie, Kev. Don't lie. Hallmark Channel. All right. So Origins, triple box break. Let's fire up the last Origins that we're going to do, although it is coming out of the freshness. Oh, I should have ordered a million more. A million more. All right. Dude, other than Kev, I'm not judging, okay? I'm not here to do any Judge Judy stuff. All right, here we go. 2016 Origins Triple Box Break number 2, 1241. Gator fan, listen. Gator's staying nice and quiet in the corner, right? He's like a quiet riot. It's either he's going to be like, dude, I'm still hitless, or it's going to be sheer enjoyment. So you're telling me you want me to put up a dual, buy one, get one free Prism. And, I mean, what if I were to do like 4 kickoff packs with it too? Is that what you're saying? Zadabi, hey, it's got to go quick. And if it doesn't, you're on the hook. Zadabi, you're on the hook. How about them apples? We'll put a little on the line for you. Let me see. Hold on, sorry. You guys talk me into it. Alright, so the Prism's up there for you guys right now. So we have the triple box break number 2 of Origins. So I promise it is the final break. That is the Prism duel. You might as well give it a shot. Dude, Prism's been crazy hot. So let's grab 3 boxes of this Origin here for you. Mile High still waiting very patiently. As long as you're patient, it'll happen. And then you'll be like, yes. All right, so Origins, triple box break number 2. You guys can jump into that final break. Amir Abdullah, listen, Mile High, all you gotta do is get the monkey off your back. And that's it right there. I'm just joking. And then RG3, Cam Schnooten, Eddie Lacy, 29 out of 60. Go scoop up those Prism. It's a dual box break of Prism. Buy one, get one free spots. Plus, I'll random off 4 of those kickoff packs. It's already gone. Never mind. 12 out of 125. You guys are awesome. Thanks. Sterling Shepard. Going to those Giants. And then you got Pharaoh Cooper. Hanging with Mr. Cooper. Going to STL. That's Buffalo Bill. And then rookie jumbo patch autograph of Trevor. Dude, it's a Trevor Davis kind of night. Jag08. There you go, buddy. Trevor Davis. That's box number 1. I'm getting nervous for Gator right now. It'll happen eventually. I mean, tacos do sound pretty good. I had Chipotle the other day, so that holds me over. Eli Manning. Then you got Brandon Cooks, Frank Gore, Matty Ice, 115 out of 150. Carson Wentz, 140 out of 149. Going to Bob Grizz, 71. Dude, hey, the Taco Bell... the Taco Bell around here... So back in Phoenix, it used to close at like 1 o'clock. Sharp. Like, no tacos after 1. Out here, 4 in the morning. 95 out of 99, Malcolm Mitchell. Malcolm in the middle, Mitchell. Going to New England, which, that'll be the Bears. 808. And then... He's just a small town girl. Gator fan 84. Throwing down what I like to call the late night hammer. Gator is a small town girl, by the way.
Just a small town girl, living in a nightmare. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Cowboy.
Gator with the late night. Go get him, bud. Get yourself a Dak Prescott rookie jumbo patch auto. There you go, brother. I done told you. It's just a matter of time. You just gotta be patient. And there it is. The Gator. He's all up in it and geared up. Alright. Gator, you've been in like 6 breaks. He's like, about time. I'm just playing around, dude. Here's Greg Olson. See, I'm allowed to give back a little bit, right? You guys give it. Anyway. All right, Sammy Watkins, Tyrod Taylor, Carlos Hyde, 148 out of 150. Let me get some focus on there. All right. Then you got Michael Thomas, 88 out of 99. Going to New Orleans, so Tiarashi. There you go. And actually pretty solid. Going to Denver, CR up in this joint. There you go with Devontae Booker. Nice 3-color patch in there too, bub. And then shorter print, Kenyon Drake, 52 out of 99. Going to Miami, Jag 08. So a nice Dak Prescott rolling around. Out of there, getting Gator fan out of the slump, the 6-break slump that he was in. You're out now, all right?